You're watching Nappicast by Jason Nappy Weather. And what about caribou? Sun out, obviously no fog making its way there. Yesterday a record high, warmest it's been since middle of December. So big changes are coming though. Clouds are going to roll in and shower activity coming in the forecast. But first, let's talk about our sponsor, Wacom Lawn Care, proudly serving Scarborough to the Kennebunks with 50 years experience. We have attention to detail and options for everyone. Call 899-8691 for a free quote. Thank you, Wacom, for being our sponsor today. I appreciate that so much. We're going to have a lot of changes here. We're going to have drizzle and clouds and fog around the coast. Already seeing that. And it's a lot warmer inland. That wind coming in and warming things up, especially inland. Now, the mountains are going to see the least amount of rain from this system, but the coastline and just pushing inland a bit is going to see the most amount of rain from this system. So it'd be kind of like a flip-flop situation, much like a spring pattern coming into our forecast here. So let's talk about it now and get into that. Temperatures really are coming up with that wind out of the south. You've got them going up against the mountains, warming 50s and 60s in western Maine right now, and 40s along the immediate coastline and especially the mid-coast. That's where the temperatures are the coldest, and that is because of this right here. Check out the cloud cover. You see it? And right along the coast, southern coast, pushing up Casco Bay, the mid-coast, up Penobscot Bay. See where all that cloud cover is? That's fog. That's a stratostack that's come in. So the marine layer has come in, and that's going to keep things cool and eventually a little bit on the drizzly side. Look at how clear it is in Boston, how clear it is inland. So it's a very different story depending on where you are right now as far as the temperature and the sky cover, right? So there's big changes coming into the forecast, and I'll get into all of that now. We talk about things in more detail, right? So let's talk about the forecast and get you into the rainfall that's coming, right? This rain is going to be coming through, and it is definitely going to be packing a bit of a punch. Now, it's not going to be heavy flooding rain, but there will be showers coming through. Tonight, it's more of you're going to see dots of kind of like drizzle popping up. That's the little green dots along the coastline, especially where you have that stratus cloud deck. You see that there. So not heavy rain there. It's not till Sunday night where you're going to see the green come in from the west. And that's the rainfall. That's the actual rainfall from the front, out ahead of the front that's going to come through. The front's going to stall a little bit. So this steady light rain is going to linger. It's not going to be incredibly heavy. I call it a steady light rain. There's some pockets of some heavier rain. And then that pushes through into Monday morning for the rush hour commute, okay? So then it'll be out of here. Let's take a look now at the forecast. Clouds, fog, and drizzle tonight and tomorrow. A rainy day on Monday. Good chunk of the day, especially early, with ice jam flooding in the forecast for this week. As we melt the snow and the rivers rise, the ice is going to break up. So that's going to be happening for really starting kind of Sunday night, Monday, and especially into the upcoming week next week. We're foggy with a few showers and some drizzle tonight. 36, 40, 41. Temperatures cool off just a bit there. For the Mariners, a small craft at most, seas generally around 3 to 4 feet. And then tomorrow on your Sunday, cloudy with fog and drizzle, coastline, and then the showers hold off until tomorrow night. So for the Mariners, it'll be a small craft with that wind out of the south. Here's the forecast the next 10 days in the mountains. Rain showers coming in on Monday. Now, the mountains will see the least precip from this. It's on my blog on jasonhappyweather.com and on Facebook if you're a subscriber. Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll get those mixture of sun and clouds. Will clear out. It'll be on the mild side. I mean, 54 in the mountains is still quite warm for, you're talking about the middle of March here, right? Getting to the latter part. And then we get some showers Thursday, Friday, not a lot. And then again, as we get to the weekend and next week. Inland, it is sun coming out Tuesday, Wednesday. After that rainstorm gets out of here on Monday. And then late in the week, Thursday, Friday, shower activity popping in. Friday, we clear out and then get some light rain and snow, not a big deal. The heavier batch of precip is not until the following Tuesday, okay? March 25th. It's your 10-day forecast, right? For the coastline, we've got clouds, we've got fog. We're really locked in with that stratus cloud deck, with that marine layer coming in, 54, 52. Tomorrow, though, a little bit warmer than today. and then Tuesday 50, 48, and then on Thursday, Friday, a few rain showers. Then it's not until following Tuesday where that precip gets on the heavier side, right? That's when things are going to begin to change there. So that's the forecast. That's the update from Nappicast.com and JasonNappyWeather.com. You can see right now on the cameras, Portland is locked in with clouds. But look at Eastport, clear. Bangor, clear. Caribou, clear. Right. So it's really just sliding south of down east, down to Penobscot Valley, and back to mid coast, southern coast, where that marine layer is hanging on right now. But you can see it because that camera for Eastport is looking towards the west, looking away from the ocean. Thank you for watching Nappicast.com and Jason Nappy Weather.